Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download ChatGPT on your phone. Whether you're looking for instant answers, help with tasks, or just want to chat, having ChatGPT right at your fingertips is super handy. Let's get started. First things first, open your App Store. Tap on the search tab at the bottom of your screen. This will let you search for the app you want. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and hit search. You should see the ChatGPT app. Once you find it, tap on the app icon and you'll be taken to the app's download page. Now just tap the download button, or if you see a get button, tap that. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to confirm the download. Once the app finishes downloading, tap open to launch it. And that's it. Now you have ChatGPT on your phone ready to help with whatever you need anytime you want. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want more videos like this, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.